Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. We have Jordan Davis here with Bar None, and it's a great country song. We have 3 chords, that's it, and we have this melody going on in the verses. It's optional, so let's go into this great song from Jordan Davis, Bar None. Alright, and you can see none of the cables as well on the fretboard, so we're going clean there, and 3 chords will be the D minor, the A sus, we have the A sharp version of it, and then the F. So let's start with chords. D minor first, it goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have the A sharp and we have the sus version of it. If you want, you can make a full chord out of it. I go with the easier route, so you place your index finger on the first fret and you push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this, and you do that on the first fret, and then you need to add the 3rd fret D string, 3rd fret G, and if you want, you can also add in the 3rd B to get the full A sharp chord. But I go with the sus without the 3rd fret B string. So that's the A sharp chord, and the final chord will be the F. Another bar chord, this time again on 1st fret, but you push down all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And there you have the chords. So let's start with the melody in the verse. So I recommend you to go at this position with your, whatever finger you choose. I go with my ring finger to the 5th fret A string, and then I have my index on the 3rd D. So I play like this. Okay, so you're gonna play 5th A, 3rd D, back to 5th A, then I slide that 5th A finger to the 3rd A, and then I play the 1st A with my index finger, and then 3rd D, then again 1st A, and then up with my ring finger on the 3rd A, and then I grab the full F chord and I play. And all of these notes are from the actual F grip. So you're gonna play 1st E string, like that, and then 2nd G, then back to 1st E, then 3rd D, then 1st E again, then 2nd G, and then comes 3rd A, 3rd D, 2nd G, and 3rd A. And that's the end of the melody. Okay, so I'm gonna take you through this slowly, and it goes like this. All right, that's 2 rounds. And for the first verse, you're gonna play for 4 rounds. And guess what? Everything else here follows the same patterns when it comes to chords and everything. So we're gonna look into that now. And the chorus play and the post-chorus part, the bridges and everything else is played in the same way with strumming. So grab the first chord, the D minor, and 1 string around will be down, down, up, down, like this. The first down I like to play more on the bass strings, and all the other downs and ups I play in the mid higher area. Okay, so for the D minor we have only 4 strings to work with, so it's not that different, but from the F chord, for instance, it will be more of the divided from the bass to the mid top string area. So like this, down, down, up, down. Okay, that's a couple of rounds. So I'm gonna play D minor 1 string around, the A sharp 1 string around, and the F 2 string rounds. And that rolls for, like I said, the chorus, the post-chorus parts, and the bridge parts later on, like this. The only thing here that separates that strumming from anything else is the melody. So you have two verses. The first verse, you're going to play 4 rounds of that melody, and the second verse, you're going to play 3 rounds. And there, my friends, you have all the tools to handle Jordan Davis' song called Bar None. Good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.